What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Loom network, which has pumped up just about 13% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just below 28 cents. So where is this crypto heading to next? Is it a potential crash coming soon? As you guys can see, it has gained a huge amount of value over the last approximately 3 to 4 weeks. It has gone from just about below 5 cents to all the way up to hitting nearly 30 cents in about 3 weeks. So is it potentially likely to crash anytime soon, or is it going to keep gaining value, heading above 30 cents, heading up to about 40-50 cents over the coming weeks and months as well? That's what we're going to be going through and looking at. Is it time to buy it, or is it time to sell it? And also, how high can Loom network go in 2023? As I've seen a lot of people saying a lot of different things, saying, you know, you can potentially hit the dollar mark towards the very end of the year, or it could potentially crash back down below the 5 cents target. So that is what we are going to be going through in today's video. But before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which anyways measures out where Loom network is currently at. And as you guys can clearly see, it is in the top tier level, and the scary thing is that it's literally broken out from the red zone without no resistance, broke out from the green zone all the way up, has broken out through all these resistance targets without resisting, and right now it's sitting all the way here at the top. So whenever a crypto or anything goes like this, it is likely to crash back down in value, but does the same apply to Loom network? Before I go into my prediction, comment down below what your take is on this crypto. Are you guys expecting it to keep pumping, or is it going to crash back down? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And also, on another note, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So as you guys can see, we are in the top tier level, and it is likely to drop back down into the balloon zone potentially early to mid next week is what I'm expecting. Yes, it is likely to pump up a little bit higher, potentially just over 30 cents over the coming days towards this weekend, and then potentially start slowly dropping down in value. It's not going to be a major crash out of nowhere where it's going to go from about 25 cents all the way down to 5 cents in a couple of hours, but it is going to be a slow and steady step down in value over the coming days and weeks as well, as I mentioned in yesterday's video on Loom network. Again, some of you guys may agree, may disagree with me, but that is entirely up to you guys. Comment down below as well if you guys believe the same, or what your predictions, let me also know. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume keeps going up guys, 95% up in the last 24 hours, making it $604 million in trading volume, which is a major increase. Again, it's not just in the last 24 hours it's gone up, it's been consistently going up in trading over the last 3 to 4 weeks guys. It was literally below 100 million about 4 weeks ago, and right now, yeah, it's gone crazy, and it's likely to keep trending over the coming days as well. But yeah, so far it has been performing very well. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale for now and bring on the MACD indicator to do some price prediction. We are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Loom network, which is here in purple at just above 16 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in red at 26 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders. So zooming in here, we've got quite of a mixed signal here. We've got the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the orange line, it does look like it is going in a straight line, but it also does seem like it's slightly slanting towards the negative direction. So overall, over the next 12 to 14 hours guys, so towards the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I am expecting Loom network to have gone through an overall drop in value. Yes, some of you guys may have not expected this, but yes, I'm expecting it to drop down to potentially just above 25 cents. So when I'm saying it's going to drop in value, it's not going to be a major crash or a major drop or anything like that. It is going to be minimal, and that does not stop it from pumping over the next couple of hours. It is likely to go through again a little pump in value before it slowly starts to drop back down in value in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, dropping down to just about 25 cents is what I'm expecting. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, this graph here is proving my point. The blue and the orange line are both going in a bearish direction, looking a little bit negative, meaning over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Loom Network to have gone through an overall drop in value once again, but nothing too crazy. It's not going to be a major drop, potentially dropping down just below or just about 20 cents is what I'm expecting. It may seem major from where it is at the moment. However, if you zoom out and look at the overall gain over the last 4 weeks, 20 cents is still positive for the whole month, but yeah, for the week is going to be down, and that's what I'm expecting, for it to drop down to 20 cents towards the end of next week. But again, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are likely to hit green days in between as well, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side, and I guess the time has come for Loom Network to drop down. But again, you guys have requested for regular updates on Loom Network, which I will be doing as well, so make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. Now, moving on to the daily chart, again, not surprised, we've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, going in a bullish direction, very positive. However, that is not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's been taking place over the last couple of weeks. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping in value, is going to keep going that way. However, that is not the case, guys. In fact, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I'm expecting Loom Network to have gone through an overall drop in value, potentially dropping down to 15 cents is what I'm expecting from Loom Network towards mid to late December, so towards the very end of the year. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Loom Network, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below your prediction on this crypto. And again, please guys, before you click off the video, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment and all of that stuff, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year, so it will help me a lot if you guys could please hit that subscribe button and like the video. And again, at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.